Introduction. Have you ever wondered how your laptop, smartphone, or electric vehicle runs smoothly on different voltages from the same battery? The secret lies in DC to DC converters, the electronic devices that step voltage up or down efficiently. Definition. A DC to DC converter is an electronic circuit that converts a direct current input voltage to a different DC output voltage level. They are widely used in power supplies, renewable energy systems, and electric vehicles. Types of DC to DC converters. There are four main types of DC to DC converters. A buck converter steps down the voltage. A boost converter steps up the voltage. A buck boost converter can either step up or step down. And a Cook converter provides an inverted output with voltage regulation. Working principle. These converters work using energy storage components such as inductors, capacitors, and high-speed switching devices like MOSFETs. By rapidly switching current on and off, they control the voltage and current delivered to the load with high efficiency. Applications. DC to DC converters are found in mobile phone chargers, solar power systems, laptop power supplies, electric vehicles, and robotics and embedded systems. Conclusion. In short, DC to DC converters are the backbone of modern electronic devices, ensuring stable and efficient power management. Without them, portable electronics and renewable energy systems wouldn't be possible.